Hello, welcome back, guys. Hope you are liking our index views. It's going very good also. Just a disclaimer. See what happened today in Nifty. So today, as told yesterday, Nifty will have a gap up. So it gave a very good gap up. Then, as I told, if you remember that there is a gap. Okay, there is a gap. There was a gap here, as I told. See, this gap got fulfilled. This gap got filled. We told clearly that once you have a gap up and if it's strong, then Nifty will fill this gap. And see how beautifully Nifty has filled this gap. Then Nifty, this was a crucial zone actually. This is a crucial zone. Okay, this is a crucial zone. Nifty tried to break this zone but failed once, twice, thrice. So 3 times it failed. Okay, so as of now, we need a closing above this level. So, okay, 25,050 to get a further up move towards 25, 120, 150. So what can happen tomorrow? Tomorrow again we can see a gap up above this line. See, major all-time high resistance are always broken by a gap. Okay, you can see here also it was broken by a gap. Okay, here also it is broken by a gap. So always all-time high resistance are being broken by a gap. So if we open a gap up, because the closing is very good, 25,011. If we opened, say, the high was 25,078, 60, 70 point also gap up will do the work. If we opens gap up, see, there can be 3 scenarios tomorrow. If we opens gap up above near all-time high level, then again a selling and hold a sideways like it did today. Or if open flat, then it will try to again touch this today's high, and there are higher, very less chances that it will open a gap down unless some geopolitical tension arises. So for me, if we open a gap up, we have to see how Nifty is reacting near its all-time high level. So until unless we don't get any closing above 2550, 25050, don't see further upside. But if we close above 25050 tomorrow in the daily candle, or say in 30-45 minutes candle also, we can see Nifty going towards 25,100, 25,150 easily. What happened to Nifty Bank? So it's a monthly expiry. So I'm expecting Nifty Bank Nifty to close at the highest point only. See, same here also. It was a gap, it got fulfilled. See how beautifully gap was got fulfilled. As I told, we need a closing above 51,200. But again, we are not getting closing. What happened? Opened here, hold the time pass in this region only, and close again near this important resistance line. See, hourly Nifty Bank Nifty is also from double doji. Nifty is also from double doji. It's very really impressive to see what will happen tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow if we see Nifty Bank again coming to this region, then this region becomes very important resistance, 51314. We need our closing of at least 15 minutes above 51,320 to see further move of 51,500. Coming to Nifty Financial, tomorrow being expiry of Nifty monthly expiry, guys, remember monthly expiry. As told yesterday, it will open a gap up and see whole day time pass. So this has been done from past week. So there is nothing much for trend traders. Yet also we are able to manage some beautiful points in our premium group. So in case you want to join, you can join. Links are in description. We have done a practical performance there today. So what can happen tomorrow? We need a closing above 24,440 for at least in a 15 minutes time frame to see a further move towards 23,500 and 23,550. So what can happen? Tomorrow we can see a gap up. Okay, not a big gap up, a gap up of here. It's a resistance line. If this is crossed and in 15 minutes candle, if we close above this 23,440, we can see 23,500, 23,550 being an expiry tomorrow. On downside, not much downside, I guess. Okay. Nifty Mcap. See, Nifty Mcap has expiry today and it was a very muted expiry. If you remember yesterday, I clearly told Nifty Mcap will face resistance here. See, this line. 1, 2, 3. Today also touch this line and falling from there. So this level is very important on 13,100. We need a closing above 13,100 for any further up move. Okay, there's been 3 days. We are not able to close above 13,100. From past 3 days, we are getting rejection from 13,100. So we need a closing above 13,100 to get further move of 200 points in Nifty Mcap. Now, guys, if you remember, I'm telling from last week why Nifty Metals technically plus fundamentally can outperform, and see what are beautiful performance. We told somewhere here that this both gap, okay, this gap will get filled. See, we initiated position near about this thing. Okay, see, this was Friday. We made a video on Saturday, Sunday. See, we clearly told Nifty Metal will outperform. Just see, from 9033 to 9500, almost 500 points in CNX metals. This gap got filled. This gap today got filled too. See, this gap also filled today, which we were pretty sure. Now, see, why this happens. As told, Jackson Hole meeting will trigger a good move in metals. See how beautifully this gap was filled today. Now, this remains an important resistance 9641. Again, don't short metals. If you get any pullback in metals, it's a buy. Don't short metals as of now. We may see a red cut in September. Okay, so guys, this was all about Nifty index. Thank you so much. All the index analysis. Please hit the like button. Please comment if you're liking our video. Please subscribe also to our video. Do share with your friends and families. Thank you guys, and happy Janmashtami to all of you.